How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode we're gonna do another installation on the Honda Core. This is the first episode of 2019, so happy new year to everybody. This is gonna be the first mod for the beginning of the year. And if you can see, I removed the trim because that one is getting wrapped. And it's been taking a lot of time to finish the wrap, especially because the weather, it rains so much, and I don't have the right weather to finish my installation. But I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush it and ruin it. That's why the car hasn't been finished. But it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done, guys. So this is a new mod that we have. You can see right there. These little side skirts. This is just plastic, guys. And I was thinking on wrapping this, but I haven't decided yet. Should I leave them like that, because this is just cheap plastic. So I still haven't decided yet what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm just gonna leave them black for now, the way they are. But later on, this car is gonna be totally black. Besides the gas cap, fender, and hood, everything else is gonna be black. I was thinking for these two pieces, I don't know if I should do sticker bump like everything else around the car, or this blue carbon fiber. This piece right here, it came with my wrap because I bought a lot of wrap. They sent me this as a sample, and that is blue carbon fiber. It looks really good. But right now I'm thinking that this blue carbon fiber is not gonna match with anything that I try to do with the car, but it will look good. But right now I'm just gonna leave them black. Let me know in the comments. That one probably is out of the way, because I don't know if I can put more of that, and I don't know if it's gonna go with the car. And sticker bomb, it might work because it's gonna match the few little details that I had around the car. So guys, this is really easy to do. The only thing that I'm gonna use, I have some screws, self-tapping screws, and in this part right here, it has those little holes, kind of like to guide you where you have to put the screws. I'm gonna put the screws in there. I'm gonna measure it, making sure that I have it the right way on both sides. Jack up the car. So be careful when you have to do this type of jobs. Make sure that you work safely around your car. In this side, I was thinking something like this, kind of like even with the already side skirt in it. And probably I'm just gonna leave it not sticking out too much. I don't want to have something like crazy out like this. I want something more like in the middle. So probably it's gonna look like this. You can see, I like it. It looks really good, I think. So let me measure it, clean it, and see what I want to put this piece. So I already put one screw in it. That's gonna be my starting point. Like I said, I'm not gonna have it sticking out too much, but I think like that it looks really good. So let me put this one first. Like I said, just couple screws, and if I like it, I leave it there. If I don't, I can move it. And having little holes on the bottom of my side skirt, I don't think it will matter. But let me put this one on, and then I'll go back with you guys. Okay guys, so I put one screw. Kinda hard to film when you have to hold the piece and use the impact with the other one. It's really not easy to film. But if you can see, I tried to just put one to see where it's gonna go. Probably I was thinking something like this, but once I put the other screws, it's gonna level it up. So like that probably is gonna be the best way, because this part can go out too much. That part has to be inside. because it was sticking out this part a lot. This part right here is not gonna be flat, it's gonna be kind of sideways. So you don't want that, you want this part to be even, flat with the current size skirt. So thinking that's the way it's gonna look. So let me put the other screws and then we're gonna see the end result. There you go. This piece doesn't go anywhere now. There you have it, guys. What do you guys think about it? You see that delivery truck, guys? That was FedEx. They just brought me a tire that I purchased the other day, and I was just finishing this side when he came, and that's the new tire that I'm gonna try on. I just purchased one right now because I wanna see how they look. Let me show you what I'm running right now. Right now I'm running some Toyos. This one's really good, guys. Toyo 215 45/17. This is a good tire. I like him. I've been running this for several years now. I like him because the grip, especially now when it's wet uh, and with the big brakes, the grip on wet and on dry is amazing with these tires. I prove it because a couple times I almost crashed, but these tires and these brakes save me. So this is a really good tire, and I asked for another Toyo, but this time I get some 225 45/17. I'm gonna make a full episode on something that I have coming probably in a few days. Probably next Saturday I'm gonna throw something that is gonna be really good. Related to tires, not specifically this one, but it's related to the tires. So if you can see, I removed the one that I used to have in my roof rack. I removed it because I'm gonna do an episode about that tire. So I've been using 215 45/17 Toyos for at least this is my third set of Toyos. You can see right there inside, this tire is almost gone. In some of the spots you can see the wires sticking out already. So this is my oldest tire, and in the next episode I'm gonna show you why I have the other tire on the roof and why I haven't used it. I'm gonna tell you the whole story, and we're gonna make a full video because I got something with that tire that is gonna be really good. You guys gonna like it. So for now, the guy just dropped my new one, 225. I'm gonna put it on just to try because, like I said, I have that spare one that is 215, but I'm gonna try this one, put it like a spare 225. If I like it, if I like the way it looks, I'm gonna just start using 225s. I was thinking more like 235s, but I want to be safe and just I'm gonna be on the safe side, and I just get the 225 for now. It's a little bit wider, not a lot, but let me bring the other one so you can see the difference between this one and the other one that I have. This is my other tire, and you can see the width. It's not gonna be a lot, but let me see if I can put it right in the middle. Can't really tell like the big difference between this one and that one. This is a 215 and that one is 225. This tire, the new Toyos, is the same Extensa HP, but they redesigned this tire. It looks a little bit different than that one. I like it. I like the design that they make on it, and like I said, for rain, for a little snow, this tire is really good. And I'm not getting paid on this episode by saying that. I pay for everything that you see on this episode with my own money, but this is a good tire. All my tires are Toyo Extensa, but now that I see the tire, I should go wider, probably 235. Next episode, I'm gonna make something really cool with this one, so stay tuned for the next one because I got something that I wanted to try with this tire. You're gonna like it, and some people's gonna hate it, obviously, but probably you're gonna like it. Moving on. Now, let's go to the other side. Okay, guys. So, what do you guys think? This one, this side is done, and this side is done as well. Like I said, those little things, the when you look at it, you like, okay, that's something different on the car, and I like it. I think they look really good. So there you have it, guys. That's the way you install side skirts. Maybe later on I'm gonna do something different, something that is gonna cover the whole side skirt. I'm not replacing that one, just added a little piece just sticking out. I like the way it looks right now, shiny, but probably I'm gonna get crazy and do a sticker bump or just finishing with a flat black that I'm wrapping the car right now with. So if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. So stay tuned for the next episode. Something good is coming with that tire. And that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.